A Great Lakes safety equipment distributor was running a heavily customized 2016 Microsoft Dynamics nav system. Staff monitored every process manually to prevent errors, which already lowered efficiency and users' confidence in the system. But the challenges ran deeper. When their independent consultant retired, they lost all system support, encountered manual shipping bottlenecks, and faced bill of materials requirements no standard ERP could handle. The TM Group implemented Business Central as their core ERP solution. Plus, we implemented Cosmos for enhanced reporting, InsightWorks for integrated shipping and advanced security using Microsoft 365 groups. We also customized exploding bombs functionality to preserve header calculations using extension-based architecture for seamless updates. This allowed us to eliminate costly 5-year upgrade cycles. Cloud deployment reduced IT overhead, and the system now scales with changing government contract requirements. Read the full project profile at tmgroupinc.com to learn about the complete transformation.